everyone. I am Vaibhav Hariharan. I secured AIR 2 in my CA final examinations of January 2020. I am really glad about my result. When I saw that my score had crossed 600, that was the time I realized that I am surely going to get a rank at this school. So I went and checked the merit list, and when I saw it is a single digit rank and that too among the top 3, that time it was like an icing on the cake. It was a dream come true. Especially because I am a student who didn't score a rank at Inter, it was even a greater achievement for me from my perspective. Even my parents were truly happy when they came to know about the result. So I took all my subjects from JK Shah classes only, as it provided a one-stop solution for all the subjects, including my elective paper and also including the largest subject, that is direct tax. So one of the major reasons was the notes which are provided, the concise notes, the entire comprehensive notes which are provided to us at classes for almost all the subjects. We got really detailed notes, but which at the same time were short enough so that we could revise in a very short period of time without any difficulty. And further, the notes were so detailed that we could cover every concept from a 360-degree angle while studying from the notes. They made a lot of our work easy, and we could focus more on the studying part rather than on collecting notes or collecting authors, references, books and materials for the purpose of our preparation. Further, one of the most attractive things was that all the faculties who taught me, they were available through helplines and phone numbers on a regular basis throughout the study leave, and they held our hands till the last paper of our examinations. They were always available to solve our doubts. Further, during the period of COVID, physical classes were not possible, and the entire video lecture library of JK Shah classes was thrown open to us, and we could access any video at any time if we had to clear any doubts. That was a really great thing. Moreover, we also had a test series conducted once our portion was completed. We were given chapter tests and small portions of the syllabus. We had 50-mark tests, and we also had the ultimate 100-mark test which covered the entire syllabus. So it helped us to ensure greater coverage of the syllabus, and it also gave us the 3-hour experience of writing an exam paper. So that was a really great thing, because it helped us to prepare for our exams in a holistic manner, as well as in ensuring the real examination experience. I had not secured a rank at CA Inter, so that was a really huge motivating factor for me. That was a trigger for me to do well in CA final examinations. I wanted to ensure that such mistakes do not happen again. So I focused on identifying what mistakes I made at CA Inter level, and I focused on rectifying them. My focus was on making a comprehensive plan for my studies, determining the sequence in which I should study the subjects, determining the combination of subjects which I should study, and also determining the sequence of the chapters per subject, which would help in optimizing my understanding of the subject. And I ensured that I completed at least 5 to 6 revisions. I completed several revisions of each subject, and I wrote several test papers of each subject. Now I would like to talk about the integrated approach which we get at JK Shah classes. At JK Shah classes, we get all the subjects at the same place. We also get test series, doubt solving and all the facilities at the same place. We also get the entire video lecture library available to us for the purpose of preparation for exams. Doubt solving is available both online and offline on a regular basis. It was a one-stop solution for all our issues with respect to CA final examination. I have seen many students moving from pillar to post, identifying the best faculties for classes, identifying which faculty is the best for which subject, and this consumes a lot of their time. In the pursuit for making the best decision, they end up wasting a lot of time and delaying their classes to such an extent that they are not able to complete the course in time and have to postpone their attempt. I really feel surprised because at JK Shah classes, we get the one-stop solution for all the subjects, and the faculties are at world-class level, and we get to learn in such a conducive environment. There's a lot of focus, there's a lot of healthy competition, as well as many students are rankers. JK Shah is not called Rankers Factory without a reason, and I myself am a product of the same, because I never had a rank at CA Inter and I managed to score a 1-digit rank at CA Final. So I would like to share a couple of points. First thing is, I would like to say that you should really start preparing early. You should not delay your preparation, and you should keep preparing bit by bit daily. And as you prepare bit by bit daily, it keeps on building up. And during the study leave, you will be really comfortable if you have prepared or completed a substantial portion of your classes before the study leave begins itself. You won't have to focus on completing your classes during the study leave. You can rather focus on self-study. You can focus on solving papers, in identifying your mistakes. Coming to solving papers, that's the second point which I would like to mention. You should solve as many papers as possible for you. If you can solve more than 4 papers per subject, then that's a really amazing target, because by solving 4 papers, you gain a lot of confidence. You see various types of questions. You see various questions in the first 15 minutes. You learn how to evaluate which questions have to be attempted and which questions do not have to be attempted in the first 15 minutes. You learn how to deal with a situation where you don't know how to solve the question. You learn to control your panic. And third thing which I would like to suggest is, don't resort to selective studying. Ensure that you do a comprehensive study of the entire syllabus. As MCQ pattern has come into place for at least 5 subjects out of the 8 subjects, I would really suggest that you should focus on covering the entire syllabus, because even if you miss out any particular topic, they can ask MCQs from that for 1 or 2 marks, and you would lose those 1 or 2 marks. And only a CA student knows the value of 1 mark or 2 marks. It's not something mega. It can make a difference between a passing and a failure. It can make a difference between an exemption and a no exemption. So really you should focus on completing the entire syllabus in a thorough manner, and ensure that you cover everything in the 1.5 days. Ensure that you have summary notes in hand. Ensure that you cover the entire syllabus. That's what I would like to say. Thank you.